If your nights are filled with dreams of magical adventures, you're a true fantasy lover. Welcome to Luminara. In this quaint coastal town lived Serafina, a young woman shrouded in mystery and beauty. She arrived one stormy night with nothing but an intricately designed music box. As the sun dipped below the horizon one evening, a stranger named Alaric appeared, a scholar of ancient lore with piercing blue eyes. Their paths crossed and a bond unlike any other began to form. One moonlit night, Alaric noticed Serafina's music box. With his knowledge of ancient artifacts, he suspected it held a powerful secret. They opened the box together and outpoured a haunting melody and an ethereal light revealing a vision of Serafina's grandmother. She spoke of a hidden realm, destinies intertwined, and the enchanted lanterns. Determined to uncover these secrets, Serafina and Alaric set off on a journey, leaving the townsfolk in awe and anticipation. What mysteries await them? Only time will tell. Join us on this enchanting adventure and let the magic of Luminara captivate your heart.